Hey there! Are you tired of dealing with Call of Duty lagging and FPS drop problems on your iPhone? Well, fret not, because I've got an advanced solution that will help you tackle these issues head on. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have got a speedy internet connection. If you're using mobile data, consider switching to Wi-Fi for a smoother gaming experience. Now, on to the fixes. Solution 1. Adjust graphics settings on Call of Duty. Now, fire up Call of Duty on your iPhone. Once the game loads, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Next, hit Audio and Graphics. Then, select either low or medium for your graphics quality. Set the frame rate to medium and scroll down to turn off anti-aliasing for Battle Royale, multiplayer, and zombies. After that, jump back into the game and see if the issue is resolved. If you're still facing lag, it's time for Solution 2. Solution 2. Check if you have enough free storage. First, open up Settings, then scroll down to General and tap on it. Then, tap on iPhone storage. Check your available space. If it is almost full, clear some room by deleting unnecessary apps, images, or videos. After that, restart your phone and see if the issue is resolved. And if the problem persists, give Solution 3 a shot. Preload all the shaders. Open the Call of Duty game again and head to the lobby. Then, tap on the gear icon once more, then switch to the Audio and Graphics tab. Next, scroll down to the Shader Preload section and tap on Start Shader Preload. Remember, this might take some time, so be patient. Once it's done, hit Start and reopen the game. You should notice a boost in FPS. And finally, Solution 4. Offload the game. Head back to Settings, scroll down and tap on General. Then, iPhone storage. Find the Call of Duty game, tap on it, and select Offloaded app. Tap Offload app again. Then, reinstall the game. Hopefully, this will solve all your problems once and for all. So there you have it. Follow these steps and you'll be saying goodbye to lag and FPS drops in Call of Duty. If you still have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.